Welcome to your 7-minute powerful morning meditation to start your day mindfully in a positive direction and to really feel the miracle that you are and that this day brings. By the end of this meditation, you will feel more confident and motivated and ready to take on your day, filled with gratitude and abundance. Close down your eyes. Bring your awareness to this brief moment of opportunity that you have given yourself. Say thank you out loud or to yourself for this time. Now, I want you to give yourself a hug. Wrap your arms around yourself. Feel the pressure. Feel the embrace. Today you will love yourself more than ever, because when you do, you'll feel more grateful and you have more love to give unto others. Embrace yourself. Now breathe in. Bring your awareness to the breath, the steady in your life, the gift, the quiet, the peace. Breathe normally, but ensure that you are getting enough oxygen, energy, and vitality into your lungs and body. Well done. Your mind may wander during this brief practice, but just recognize that, and it's okay, and it's natural. Bring your attention back to the here and the now. Just observe the thoughts and bring the awareness back. Now think of one thing that you are grateful for in this present moment in your life. What's the first thing that comes to your mind? And visualize that in great detail. Now think about what your life was like before you had this person, place, thing, or opportunity in your life. And recognize how far you've come from something that you wanted to something that you now have. There's power in that. Live in that moment for a brief period. In the same way that you brought this person, place, or thing into your life, you can bring anything else that you desire into your physical reality, especially with a grateful heart. The universe brings to you more of what you want when you are grateful. Now identify something that you desire right now, something that you want to bring into your physical reality in which you would feel so grateful. Beautiful. Now repeat these affirmations out loud or to yourself so that they can bury themselves into your subconscious mind. The power lies in your subconscious mind. Today is a great day of opportunity. I am exactly where I need to be. I am confident. I am positive. I am motivated. And I am grateful. Today truly is a miracle morning. Today, I will choose my thoughts wisely. Today, I will be in more control of how I feel. Today, I will respond differently to situations. You are all these things and so much more. Go out and enjoy your day, and I will meet you back here tomorrow for our next meditation.